Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can clear iCloud storage on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, where can you even find iCloud storage? To do this, you'll need to go into your phone settings. Then at the top of the screen you tap on your name to go to your Apple ID. And now we find the iCloud section. Click on it. And then at the top of the screen we see Manage Account Storage. And we click on that. It may take some time. If you have a lot of data in the storage, it may take some time for it to fully load. So when all the data is loaded, you'll be taken to a page like this. So how do you clear the repository? What you can see here is that we've got various applications that are taking up some memory in iCloud, as you can see. And, for example, if we click on Backup, we can see that we have our device here. We'll click on it. And we'll see the app that we're synchronizing data from. So I have this, for example, some social media apps, also Google Maps app, Gmail, Photos, Telegram, and so on. And if you don't want the data from those apps to be synchronized on your phone, then you can just disable that by just confirming. After that, no data will be saved in the iCloud storage. The same thing you can do with photos. Here you can delete a photo data, for example, or a video from your iCloud in order to clear the iCloud storage. You can do the same thing with absolutely all the apps you'll have in this list. For example, as you can see, you can also delete data from your iCloud storage, messages, and so on. This principle works with absolutely all applications. So if you want to clear iCloud storage, here is a simple way how to do it. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.